into this, so I doubt that. Let's see. I think we can take this as a tap into the zone. I'm going to take it as a tap into the zone. Check the 4-hour time frame real quick. See if we have any key levels inside of this area. I see a rejection of the sweep. And this is why you need to once again remember to switch to the higher time frames. Okay, do not stay on the lower time frames always. The reason I said that was because can you see what they have done? Sell stops are cleared out. So clearly, where are they going to move next? Where are the next buy stops? Here, at least here, right? So let's see. We have
I think
these key
they
levels.
just tap into this gap level just slightly above this one. And made a
Yes,
little
slightly above this right here. They have tapped into it. So this is a valid tap. Okay, this is a valid tap, and we have this key level here on the H1 that had a few rejections here on the M15 though. Here, see we have a few rejections. So if the market gets here during the New York kill zone or New York open, I will take a buy. Okay, I will take a buy because we saw how the next few candles broke structure. Okay, we had a breakout. We had a strong zone. Let's see. Now, this is the thing about yeah, this thing about price. Okay, like it's fractal. It is fractal. Now you can even draw a Fibonacci from here to here, like this, to check if these are now you can see these at a discounted price. But yeah, if you want it, you can do this. Okay, like that. So let's see. If it comes here and gives me a good signal. The thing is, yes, we have some liquidity up here. If it creates more liquidity right above the zone, would be great. Okay, time is good. Okay, this does not look like a liquidity sweep now. It just keeps coming down. Not the best one. There we go. We have a doji right on this strong support. Structure is broken. Everything is good. Now we know after taking out sell stops, they could move into buy stops. So yes, if we take a buy here, you guys know where to target now, right? All the way up here. Stops can go right below this. Gonna have a good one. It's, yeah, a doji is not a confirmation. Okay, just remember it's a candlestick pattern means the buying and the selling pressure. As soon as it tapped into this support, you can see buyers getting in, right? Okay, but the buying pressure is coming into the market. That's it. Okay, so it's not that we are paying attention to the candlestick patterns. It's just that we understand the logic. Okay, so comes down, taps into a support, buyers are getting in, the candles are showing us that. Just remember that these candlesticks are a language. Okay, these candlesticks are a language. That is, those are the signs, those are the signals. Okay, they show you the signals. That's it. Okay, so there we go. We have this. Let's see. Momentum kicks in. Okay, so I'll move it to break even right after the break of this high. It's going to be a good one. Let's see. Oh shit. Okay, stopped out. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, let's see why. Yeah, they came back to the zone. See, swept liquidity once again back in the zone. Yeah, now they're moving. Now they're moving. This happens. Okay, can't help it. Yeah, they're moving. We have a breakout structure. Lean one. So this now in hindsight, I can tell you this was the inducement and we got induced as well. Okay. So because not only us, maybe most of the other SMC traders and supply and demand traders would have bought it here as well, placing their stop loss right below this. Swept that. Now they gave us a bullish breakout. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. We might have a buying opportunity yet. Yes, we might have a buying opportunity. Let's wait for the 1 hour closing because I can't rely on 15-minute data. Okay, we'll wait for the 1 hour closing. Now 1 hour has closed. We have a breakout structure, right? We had a breakout structure and the current price is here. Might be able to enter somewhere here. Let's see. Wanted to include this rejection. We had the stop hunt. We had a breakout structure on the M15. The market's coming down. Filled that little imbalance. Gave us a rejection. Looks good now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy it. Now remember, now even though I'm showing it to you very slowly here, explaining everything, imagine when this happen in real time, right? You have to switch through time frames quickly. Okay, and you don't have enough time to think, okay, this has happened, that has no. You have to make quick decisions, like very quick decisions. Okay, so those quick decisions that I'm making, I'm trying to explain them. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my stop loss here, and I'm going to target up here. So I have 1:3. See that? Yes, I got stopped out here, 1%. Now I'm entering here once again. So if I win this trade, I'm up by 2%. Okay, so risk to reward. Let's see. Hmm. Ah, there it is. There it is. I'm moving it to break even. Why am I moving it to break even? Because see, we had this lower low, lower high, lower low, breakout structure, pull back, move back up. Now, what's the market doing? High high, created a new high low. This high low was our entry. So now we know that if they want to maintain its bullish market, they're not going to run below this. They might do this again. That's it. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, there comes the pullback. Mm, down. See that? And that's how you make another 3%. That's it. Okay. So this is like resilience, right? That's what you call it. Like you have to know how to recover from your losses. Okay. Just because you take a loss, it doesn't mean that our strategy isn't working, right? Like even for the loss, we took the loss the same way we took a winning trade, right? So it's not a problem. It's not a problem. This is not a bad loss. Did we do anything else? Did we do something different here to take the loss? No, we did the same exact thing. We got stopped out. That's trading. Okay, so that's just a part of the game. But what happened here? 3.64%, minus 1%, 2.64% up for that day. Once again, you're up in profits. Okay, so that's the thing about risk to reward. Okay, it's very good. It's very nice. There it moves. Clean setups. Like we could have waited, like we could have trusted our key levels, right? Thought this wasn't a tap into this. That's fine. Okay, we got induced. Nobody can be perfect. So moves up. Now we are reaching premium prices, which means buys are going to be risky right now, right? Buys will be risky. So let's see. I'm done for the day. We had some good setups. We're done for the day. Last candle. Okay, the day is over. Once again, they're building up liquidity right below our key level. Now, of course, I'm not going to say this is a tap. Okay, I'm not going to do that. Because you might be able to see this. Okay. Good. And you need to also understand why are they moving this way? Let me explain quickly. Sometimes they'll make a range like this, and once they start to come back down, in between this, they will create some liquidity, some liquidity, some liquidity. And then once they start to move up, they can run above all of this liquidity since there is liquidity, and then they can give us the drop. This is one way. The other way is this. Let's say we had a break with a lot of momentum like we have right now. So now, let's say this is a good killer for us to look into. What's lacking, right? Let's say we had in here in this price section, let's say we had a key level right here, and we have some liquidity right below it. So they can sweep that and tap into this. Now, let's say we had a strong key level here. But what's missing? No liquidity below it, right? No liquidity below it. So which means, what would the market do? Now they will start building up liquidity like this, like this, like this, like this. And now they have liquidity below this. So this and then this. That's two ways how the market could give us a pullback. One could be a fast pullback when they have liquidity. Once again, these are ICT stuff, okay? This is what you call a low resistance liquidity run or something. I'm not trying to grab you guys into ICT stuff. Okay, I'm just telling you. This is what he calls a low resistance liquidity run or something like that. Okay, this I don't know if he even calls it something. This is what he calls a low resistance liquidity grab because there is no resistance to stop it until it takes out the liquidity, something like that. Okay, but here you see this, right? We had a clean drop. So see, they will create liquidity and then take it out. Okay, so we have a question to mention. I already made 15% of my equity so far. That's good, bro. Really nice. Okay, so 15% is very good, right? And you only joined last month, so which is great. Okay, so these are two ways how the market could move. Okay, they move up, sweep liquidity. So this could be an Asian high. This could be a previous daily high. This could be a London high. This could be a New York high. But once they sweep that, then comes the drop. Okay, so simple stuff. Okay, all you have to do is just pay a little attention. So that is exactly what they're doing here. We had a big, strong drop here. Now these key levels can't, like, because they do not have 4 below it, right? They have 4 below it, they can give us a stronger, but they did not have it, right? They did not have it. So what are they going to do? Okay, they built up some. Okay, they started building up. Okay, go to daily, back to daily. As the storyline, yeah, storylines did not change. Right? Storylines might have changed. See, we had a bullish QM here. So that gives us an extra contour. Now, see how we'll just look at how I'm going to relate all of this. Okay, yes, the storyline is bullish, right? Storyline is bullish. So then we know that the previous day's high is getting wiped out. Okay, so we know that this is liquidity being fed into these zones because now we're sure that this high is going to get wiped out. Okay, so until that gets wiped out, we can even look for buys. Okay, so we have this current price is here, maybe from somewhere here, right? Don't know if it's going to be a good zone or not. Let's check that on lower time frame. I don't think it's a good zone. Why do I not think it's a good zone? Take other things into consideration, right? From here to here is the range. Where is this? At a premium price. See that? Look how fractal price is. Okay, you have ranges everywhere. You have market structure everywhere. You just have to know which ones to follow and when. Here we know high time frame range, premium price. Lower time frame range, discount price is here. So you can wait until it reaches a discounted price. Okay, so let's wait for Asia to win. So a discounted price would be below this, maybe this open close, right? Refine to this open close, like this. And we have liquidity above it to fuel that move. Okay, so let's see. Let's wait for Asia to win. First one, second one. Yeah, more liquidity sitting right below our key level, right here. Can you see that? Previous day high and the Asian high. So now we can have more faith in this level. Okay, can have more faith in this level to hold. So let's see. Okay, let's see. And then timing, London kill zone and London open, right? Time, we're gonna time that. And let's see. Wait for a rejection inside of this zone. If we get that, we're buying it up into the next zone. So let's see. Ah, yeah, once again, I think the manipulation happened a little earlier, like we saw that in one example, right? Right here. Okay, we saw that. So what did we do here? Once they gave us the breakout structure, we entered. So if the market manages to close above this high, I will buy it. Okay, I will buy it. If they cannot close below it, I'm not going to do that. Okay, same exact thing. That's why I told you. That's why Diera told it to you clearly. Like if you do enough practice, you will see that not her words exactly, but she tells you the history always repeats itself. The same thing. How did I enter here? Yes, timing wasn't good. Look at the manipulation time, 10:45. We know London Q zone is at 11:30, and this is the minimum, right? This is when manipulation should happen. But what happened here? The manipulation happened earlier, and it gave us a breakout structure, so we entered because we can't miss the trade. Same thing. Manipulation happened once again at 10:45 p.m. So if they give us a breakout structure, we can enter, or else we can still wait, right? So let's see. If they give me a breakout structure, I will enter for sure. So let's see. No, no. Some momentum kicking in. Not yet. Time is good. No. There comes, but no breakouts yet. Yeah, no breakouts yet. Back into this. What are they doing? Yeah, building up equal lows. Gain. Okay. No breakouts, so I have not entered yet. There it comes. Can you see that? All the liquidity is being swept. We have a breakout on the line chart. See that? We have a breakout on the line chart. Liquidity is being swept. That's the main thing. So after clearing out all this liquidity, where do you think it's going to go next? Here. Oh, here. Right. So now where can we enter from? Maybe from this RBS. Yes, exactly. Can enter from the RBS. stops can be placed. Remember, the safe place for the stop loss is here. Okay. But if I target here, I'm not even getting a 1:3. So I'm going to tighten my stop loss a little bit. I'll have 5.5 pips. I can get a 1:3. Okay, I can get a 1:3. So let's see. Time is good. Manipulations are happening. So remember, once a manipulation happens, you have four. Okay, okay, they have once again gotten that momentum, so they can go. So let's see. There it is, clean. Yeah, see, line. Now we can move it to break even right away. Like I would have moved it to break even as soon as this candle closed. Let's see. Okay, a pullback. Now where's the pullback coming into? We have a low to high range here. So they can react to somewhere here. Okay, so you see this, right? You see how fractal price is. Everything is happening on every single time frame. Okay. So now there's a problem. We might get stopped out at break even, I think. Yes, I'll send the recording for sure. What's happening? I think we're getting stopped out at break even. Ah, shit. Like I would have got stopped out here. Okay. And now they're moving, see? So let's count this as a winning trade, okay, guys. It hurts. There it goes. Okay. But yeah, if we are being realistic, this is a break-even trade, okay, because this will stop us out at break-even. Spreads will surely stop you out there. That's
Can we
fine.
take re-entry since below Asian high?
Yeah, no,
It
re-entry was
went
fine. Okay, re-entry was fine, but the thing is, I did not want to take that. Okay, like, but it even created liquidity. Can you say that it happens? Okay, it happens all the time. Did this move? This inducement. Okay, like I'm not going to go into SMC stuff, but I'm just explaining. Oh, golden ratio, sweet spot, buy it, right? Everyone's buying it now. Everyone's buying it right here. But what do we know? We know that liquidity was not swept yet. So there's no flow for them to move to the upside. So what did they do? Created a swing low, took that out. Stop losses are taken out. Now they have flow. See? Quick move, big moves. See? That happens. That happens. Okay. First move, everyone's entering. Okay, doji is formed, everything is formed, let's buy it. But what was missing? No liquidity was swept. Came down, swept, started moving. Okay, so very interesting, right? Very, very interesting when you combine SMC with SNR. Okay, you can read the charts well. That's the thing, at least in hindsight. Okay, but yeah, now it starts to move up. It was a good one. The buy was good, but like honestly, if I was trading at this time of the day, I would have gone to a 5-minute time frame and taken some entry here. Okay, I would have done that for sure because always remember, once you have a key level marked out, try to enter as close to that key level as possible. Like for example, here you see where we are entering, right? That is why we're getting stopped out at break even. But imagine you had an entry somewhere here, you're not getting stopped out, right? You're not getting stopped out, but this happens, and um, that is why I try to enter as close to the support or the resistance as possible. Okay, or else this happens most of the time. Can't help it. Okay, but yeah, it started moving up. Let's wait for the New York kill zone. Good rejections from the key level. Liquidity is being swept. Can we sell it? Think we can sell it, but the thing is, once again, the manipulation happened a little early, right? A little early, just like it happened here. So same thing could happen, right? This high once again could get swept and then the sell could come. So I'll wait. The New York kill zone or New York session. Let's wait and see. Nothing yet. We're inside of the resistance. Okay. Now that high is getting swept, but no signs of reversal. I think they're trying to move up here. A big drop. Big drop after clearing out this high. They clear out anything else? No. And they have broken through this